Basta Bisaya.
Someday we'll meet again and have need for more and reminiscing. Be this time, I'll be alive and they'll fly. Maybe now they can be more than just friends.
Basta Bisaya, lihira mo kanta.
She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, love won't end.
Sarah G version mo na eh.
Old feeling back again is one. They were too young to know when love is